So this is our pepper leaves and papaya and the lemongrass. The papaya is also bigger now. And this is our pomelo and our peppers and the lime. Lemongrass. So I need some leaves. I will going to cook with chicken and the papaya.